The status right now is we will be having formal talks very soon, in the first week of June. So after the formal talks takes place, then only we will be able to deliberate further what will go on.
We had since the beginning of this peace process, we have had discussion with the central government interlocutor, including people from the IB and the Home Ministry 3 times. And the latest meeting that we had is with the Home Minister of the state, Chief Secretary, in the presence of Chief Secretary and Home Secretary. Whatever deliberation that has taken place in all these talks is about the kind of breaking the ice so that the peace process can move forward. When I say that we are breaking the ice, means we cannot straight away go to the political demands of the organization. What we have done in different in this 4-5 deliberation is that we talk of the peace, the safe passage for the leaders of the Hnlc to be able to come to India and have a face-to-face discussion at different level. And secondly, the deliberation was on the amnesty, because peace process cannot move forward until and unless the government, both central and state government, consider amnesty for the organization as a whole and all its individual members. So about the safe passage, yes, it has been agreed about a year ago that all the participating leaders of the organization can move freely to proceed with the peace process. And as far as amnesty is concerned, that is a subject matter which we will be placing in the first formal meeting that is going to be held soon. So far that is the status, and so far that was the discussion that we have discussed at different levels.